Attention, please. It's time for the final countdown. The show starts in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's rock.
So good day everyone! So for today's video, we're going to tackle and discuss our choosing platform, which is ETORO. So let's start with Ariel and Yasko. It's your time to shine.
Hi there! Have you ever tried investing in an online trading platform? Sounds fascinating, right? Well, it's super convenient the fact that it's already been accessible these days using just our mobile phones, and payment hassle-free because you can literally deposit your capital in just a tap on your phone. By the way, I'm talking about ETORO, and you might have something else in your mind, right? Okay. But first, I'd like to give you some juice to sip about ETORO to know more about it. By the way, this is Ariel. Come join us. Let's talk about trading. So the question is, why choose ETORO? Well, basically, when you choose ETORO, you'll get a chance to join a global investment community. You're given access to financial tools such as multi-asset platform, 0% commissions, investment insurance, social trading, investing with experts, and lastly, protecting your funds. In terms of low fees and 0% commission, when you open a long-term, non-leveraged position on a stock or ETF on ETORO, you will technically pay 0% commission. So basically, there are no spreads, no fees, no hidden charges, and you actually gain rights in the underlying assets. So ETORO there offers competitive spreads in other asset classes, including spreads as low as 1p for leading forex pairs. In terms of multi-asset platforms, ETORO platform gives traders and investors access to more than 3,000 different financial assets, including stocks, cryptocurrencies, ETFs, currencies, and commodities, which can be invested in both with or without leverages. So giving almost anything access to short, mid, and long-term investment options. In terms of social trading, you'll get to join a 30 million plus community across 100 countries. So basically, ETORO is the world's largest community of traders and investors, numbering more than 30 million from more than 100 countries. So there are actually two activities under social trading. So the first one is to connect with others. So basically, the ETORO news feed operates just like that of any social network. So that is enabling traders and investors to interact, share ideas, insights, and trading strategies, and even make new friends. The second activity is to trade with crowd sentiment. So basically here, they join the conversation or invest in a people-based portfolio with ETORO's top traders' smart portfolios. The fifth one is the copy trader. So basically on ETORO, users can copy the trades of talented, experienced, and professional investors using the copyright trader function. So there, each user's performance is displayed transparently, including risk scores, failure success ratio, and much more. Some top ETORO traders have shown consistent returns and repeatedly beat benchmark indices. And lastly, cybersecurity standards. So basically, ETORO employs the highest standards for protecting its clients' funds and personal information. So in simple words, they will never share information unless required to do so by law. So here, your funds are kept in a segregated account. So basically, every penny deposited by client is held in separate, segregated account. This means that even in the highly unlikely event of ETORO's bankruptcy, your funds will be safe. Secondly is the multi-regulated platform. So basically here, ETORO follows the strict regulations of several authorities, including FCA in the United Kingdom, ASEC in Australia, CISIC in Cyprus, GFSC Gibraltar, FinCEN, and FINRA in the United States.
There are many products in ETORO, but I have give 5 examples. Apple, Netflix, Meta Platform, Alibaba, Microsoft.
ETORO is a multi-asset investment platform. Accessing the ETORO account statement. The account statement is available on both the web version of ETORO and the ETORO mobile app.
The ETORO app used for allow user to buy and sell a large range of global stocks, shares, and cryptocurrencies either online or via its app. eToro is a multi-asset investment company focusing on providing financial services.
eToro currency offers its crypto services in 46 US states and Washington. While all the US residents can sign up for a free eToro account for virtual trading, eToro is currently unavailable for actual cryptocurrency trading for the residents in Hawaii, Nevada, and New York. Other general fees may apply to all eToro services such as FX conversion fees on non-US deposits, withdrawals, and withdrawals fees.
Hello, my name is Rafumi E. Amaba, and I am going to share my experience in eToro. So one of our activity is to make an account of eToro. So it is really nice to engage in this kind of trading. So every beginner of eToro receive $100,000 of virtual trading account. So you can learn more about the market and know the different strategies before risking the money. For me, it's not easy to enter the market because I am scared to use the money. But when our instructor gave us the list that we need to trade, then I started trading or buy those assets. So mostly the asset that I invested has gained, and then my virtual money increased to $4,110.82. So eToro is really a great way to experience how online trading works without risking any of your hard-earned savings.
These are the things that I do before picking a stock. So first, I need to identify my appetite risk. So basically, I'm a medium to high risk type of investor based on my portfolio performance over a virtual account since I'm a newbie. And it's probably around 7.90% at the moment, and hopefully it goes higher over time. But if it happens to be my real account that I'm using in this trading platform, well, I'd probably just go first with the medium one and then see how things work before going high. Second is my deciding factor in choosing and picking a stock. So first, I make sure I get myself involved to be updated in the market because it is actually capable of moving frequently. Well, not just us investors ourselves, but the market itself specifically. And research suggests that 75% of stocks move in step with the market. So we must always be careful with that. Secondly, I simply do company background checking to figure out major things like how their performance over the month or the past recent years and so on, just to get some prospect to support my basis in picking a specific stock. And lastly, I consider the idea of the company's popularity. Well, basically, the more it is top ranked, the better chances of gaining from them, and since lots of investors will be trading for them from time to time in a long term. Third are the strategies, tactics, and actions I use to profit from my portfolio and to avoid losses. So basically, eToro is a friendly community where I can totally say that I'm not alone in the game. I mean, I can interact with a lot of people and even see top ranked profiles, which is a good thing to get scanty information on how they do theirs, their techniques, and etc. Especially to starters like me and to others out there. Secondly, I often check the Discover Traders section. This is actually one of the best features of the platform to sneak peek on top traders daily. The very reason is that they make things easier and transparent publicly by posting information about their performances over time as well. Lastly, it's good to trade at night, by the way, considering the time gap of the US market. That's why lots of traders do it at nighttime, simply because the rates are higher. But generally, always put in mind that all markets are different and have their own seasonalities and tendencies. But in stock market, the tendency is for the gains to accrue at night because of the good risk and reward offers, and huge advantage to new traders like me, as volatility tends to be lower, and for experienced traders using scalping or automatic trading strategies that tend to work well with less volatility.
I really had a good experience with eToro, and I really like how well the copy trading features work. In general, I look into the fees because they are a very important aspect. If you are a day trader, you are making hundreds in a short period. And I feel like that eToro is a pretty good platform for beginner in trading. Review on how easy it is to buy and sell stocks on eToro. Also, they provide CFDs for some popular stocks copy trader function, weekly review on markets, economic calendars, promotion upon deposits, and etc. The picture indicated is my account on eToro. I'm an eToro user for 3 months, I guess, and the good thing about eToro is that you don't even have to know anything about the market to benefit.
Experience in eToro app. With eToro Social Trading's network, users can explore and copy the trades of more experienced investors for crypto, stocks, and ETF assets. The eToro mobile app is a user-friendly user.
Good day everyone, my name is Guadalupe R. Alingasa. I would like to share to you my experience in eToro. I like my experience at eToro for social trading, where I delivers a competitive toolset and an active community, ranking it among the leaders in this category. And I think eToro is the best for millennial and Gen Z traders. I also experienced that there is no deposit bonus or volume-based cash relay program at eToro, but a popular investor program exists. So me, as a trader, it rewards for me for having a follower's assets under management and a minimum average monthly equity. Thank you.
I had really good experience with eToro and really like how well the copy trading feature works on my mobile device. eToro constantly improving its proposal, and with my opinion, it's a good opportunity for beginning traders and those that would like to learn from experienced traders by simple replication of their trade.
eToro, the world's leading social trading platform.